Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new Jeulia piece and some gorgeous, gorgeous hair coming up. The Jeulia pieces that I'm showing you today were sent to me by Jeulia so that I could do a review of the pieces. I have yet to meet a Jeulia piece that I absolutely didn't love. And that's why I became a rep for the company a few years back. My rep code is TERRAZ15. I'll put it up here on the screen and I'll also link it below. All of the products and links are listed below the video in the description box. If you decide to make a purchase, use that rep code. It'll get you 15% off of your total order. Jeulia has an amazing customer service area. They also have a 1-year limited warranty. They also have free shipping over $99, and all of their items are very high quality. Most items are made from the 925 sterling silver, so you always know what to expect. Today we're going to take a look at a ring. So as we head into fall, this ring by Jeulia is going to allow you to take a little bit of summer with you when you go. Every time you look at it, you're going to smile and remember summer as it was. This is called the Bloom ring. It's a sterling silver women's band, and you can see lots of detail in there, and I'm going to put up a picture as well. Now this is a part of their Dreamy garden collection. All kinds of flowers and things that remind you of a garden, which blooms in the summertime, right? Lots of colors, lots of scents, lots of sensual experiences. Be sure to check out the entire Dreamy Garden collection. There's a ton of items in there. I think maybe close to 100 different items, rings, necklaces, earring sets, all made with a Dreamy Garden theme. They love their themes, and I love that too because it allows us to really personalize our experience with the jewelry. It's made from that 925 sterling silver. It's a fairly wide band, I would say just over maybe 3/4 of an inch wide there. And nested within that sterling, you're going to see an enamel. They use enamel for the colors of the flowers, the blue, the yellow, the purple, and then they finish that off with the Jeulia white diamond stone in the middle of the flowers. Now this ring is just so sturdy and so substantial. It's not too heavy, it's not clunky. It's a really nice fine quality. It's not bendable, it's not going anywhere. And you're going to love this for 20, 30, 40, 50 years to come. Now this particular ring does come in a variety of sizes, anywhere from a 5 up to, I think, a 10 in ring sizes. You can also have it customized by putting some engraving. I think up to 2 lines of engraving can be put on this one as well. So if you want to give it as a gift. And please do check out that Dreamy Garden collection, because this isn't the only enameled flower ring that they have. They have the different colors. They have different styles, but kind of the same motif here. So take a little summertime with you when you go into fall. Check this ring out and the entire Dreamy Garden collection. Again, all of those links are below the video. So let's talk about this beautiful wig style before I go. This is a brand new shag style cut by Raquel Welch called Black Tie Chic. It's modern, but yet classic in its shag design. Tons and tons of wispy layering all over. It goes beautifully, just like this ring, from summer to fall to winter. It knows no season, and it beautifully frames the face. I think this will look good on any face shape out there. Be sure to check this one out at Wig Studio One. Again, all of those links are below the video. So if you have a question about any of the products, look below the video and you should find it there. Thank you so much for joining me today to check out a brand new Jeulia ring and some new Raquel Welch hair. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon, right back here on TAZSWIG Closet.